I see a nail strap. What's leaking, Austin? I want to find the actual leak itself. We can get a photograph of Mike. I see spray. Almost there.
It's right here. It's facing the you know
side?
Yeah.
Can you find a nail or
Yeah.
Here's the repair in the wall. Plumber just finished fixing it. So this is the discolored drywall the plumber just removed, and that's right out in the back of the cabinet there. And you can see under here there's water right underneath those cabinets. I cut a piece of the bottom of the cabinet out, and you can see that discoloration's all underneath these cabinets. So he's gonna call the insurance company and have someone come out and look. You can see it's a nice big cabinet, kitchen, and then around this wall side, the walls are mushy wet. We trimmed the drywall, took the baseboards off, and then we took the baseboards off that island right there, bar island.